Today we shall see the duties and responsibilities of various categories of nursing personnel. Classification of nursing personnel. First of all, nursing personnel are among the largest number of healthcare professionals working in the various fields of healthcare. They work from the lowest level of care to the highest. They work in the various settings, namely hospital, clinical areas, community area, educational settings, and holistic setting. Job description. A job description is a statement of the basic purpose of the job, the significant tasks to be carried out, the extent of the authority vested in the post, and the upward, downward, and horizontal relationships necessary for the performance of the job. Principal College of Nursing, General as prescribed for staff nurse, professional, MSc Nursing or equivalent degree, PhD in Nursing or any other equivalent doctoral degrees, registration registered to any state nursing council, experience not less than 5 years teaching experience in the College of Nursing. Chief Nursing Officer for all the staff nurses in the hospital. She does planning, coordination, supervision, controlling, reporting to higher medical officer and delegating the work schedules to other nurses. Follows and adapts, which helps to recruit, assign and allocate the required staff at the right place and time, explain the job description, supervision and delegating responsibilities to each staff nurse. Head nurse to plan the duty roster specific to the ward, implement the PCS and allocate ward in charge to specific wards, to control and coordinate the activities of the specific wards, to plan all the activities done by the ward in charge in advance, delegate responsibilities and supervise the activities in the ward, to supervise the nursing care being rendered for all patients and to take frequent status updates. Senior staff nurse. Senior nurses works under the ward in charge and they have to report to the duty in time and sign in the register. They provide individual care to patients who are seriously ill and are assisted by the junior nurses. They report the patient care to ward in charge regularly. They write the record and patient details on the nurse's record. They maintain the patient care sheet which has patient identification data, doctor sheet and diagnostic sheets. Professor College of Nursing, Educational Qualification, General, Professional, Registration and Experience as I told you before. To conduct nursing rounds with ward in charges, to assess the problem, plan care, clarify issues, fulfill the requirements and guide the ward in charge, to maintain the enrollment register of all the staff and ward in charge and ensure that all the staff are reported in duty in time, to allocate the alternative staff in case of absenteeism, to conduct meeting with the subordinate staff and provide guidance and teaching to improve her nursing care.